Today we will learn chapter number 6, algebraic expression and identities. So here children, what is algebraic expression? Before learning this definition, I want to clear two concepts, that are variables and constant. What are variables, children? You have already studied in your junior classes also, but here I am also revising this concept. What are variables? So children, variables are the alphabets like a, b, c and so on, or x, y, z or any other in the equation, and the term the numeric terms are called the constant. So here children, variables are the letters of the alphabets which are used to represent numbers, just like 10a. So here variable is representing number, that is 10a. So the letters of alphabet which are used to represent numbers are called variable, and constant are the numeric values. Here what is algebraic expression? You have already studied these combination. So when it is connected by, suppose 10a 5xy square, when these are connected by the operations like plus or minus, so here 10a 5xy square minus 2 also. So this is also a numeric constant. So numeric value. This term contains only one numeric value. This term contains 5x multiply y square. That means y into y. So here 10 multiply a. So here multiplication and division could be the part of the term. So here children, this is your expression. Now I want to make you clear like and unlike terms. So children, like and unlike terms are the terms that have the same letters. Like terms have the same letters. Here 14ACB and 21ABC. So here ACB and ABC. So these are the like terms. These are the like terms. So here children, what are unlike terms? Unlike terms having the same, it can be same letters but differed by, it can be same numbers also, contains different letters. So here 14 a square bc comma, it could be 21 also, 21 a b square c. So here it was the square on a, here the square on b. So they are unlike terms. So children, this is your explanation. Let us begin exercise 6a. 6a question number 1 is saying that identify the terms, their coefficient. So here part number 1a is saying, part number 1, 6xyz square minus 3zy. So here you have to find how many terms are there. Two terms. Term number 1 is this and term number 2 is this. So here you have found that these are the terms. Now you have to find out the coefficient of these. So coefficient is the numeric value. So here 6 and here minus 3. Now question number 2 is, you have to, question number 2 is some numbers are there, PQR, 3P, 2Q, 5000 and 5b minus 3b square plus 4b power 3. So here you have to classify these numbers into monomial, binomial, trinomial and quadrinomial. So here this is a one term, so its name we can call it as monomial. Here we can see that these are two terms, so we can see that here we can write it and give this name as binomial. This is again one term, so its name is monomial. Here 1 2 3 three terms are there, so we'll call it trinomial. If more than three terms are there, that means 4 or 5. Suppose PQ, QR plus RS plus ST. So we can see that here 4 terms are there. So we'll call it as quadrinomial. QUAD, quadrinomial. Monomial means 1 term, binomial means 2 term, trinomials means 3 terms, and quadrinomials means, here you can see that quadrinomials means 4 terms are there in the expression. So clear, children? This way you have to do your work.